Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here as we explore the fascinating world of open source software and hardware. Today, we're going to delve into one of the significant benefits of open source: cost effectiveness. So let's dive in and discover how open source software and hardware can save you money while delivering powerful solutions. Thank you for joining us on this cost-effective journey. Cost effectiveness is a key advantage of open source software and hardware. Unlike closed source alternatives that often come with hefty licensing fees and ongoing costs, open source software and hardware is typically available at no or low cost. This means that you can access and use the software without the burden of upfront expenses, making it an attractive choice for individuals and organizations alike. Not only is open source software and hardware free or affordable, but it also eliminates the need for costly vendor lock-in. With closed source software, you may find yourself tied to a specific vendor, relying on their products and services. This dependency can result in ongoing licensing fees, maintenance costs, and upgrades. However, open source software and hardware liberates you from these restrictions, giving you the freedom to choose how and where to allocate your resources. Open source software and hardware often benefits from a vibrant and active community of developers and contributors. This community-driven model means that the software is continuously updated, improved, and maintained by passionate individuals who volunteer their time and expertise. As a result, you benefit from a constantly evolving and robust solution without the need for significant financial investment. Another cost-saving aspect of open source software and hardware is its compatibility with a wide range of hardware and platforms. Closed source software often requires specific hardware or operating systems, leading to additional expenses if your infrastructure needs to be upgraded or modified. In contrast, open source software and hardware is designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing you to leverage your existing hardware and infrastructure, reducing the need for costly upgrades. Open source software and hardware promotes a collaborative and knowledge-sharing culture. This means that you can tap into the expertise of the open source community for support and assistance. Whether it's through forums, mailing lists, or online communities, you can find guidance and solutions to your challenges without the need for expensive support contracts or consulting services. The wealth of knowledge and support available within the open source community is a valuable resource for cost-conscious users. Additionally, open source software and hardware provides you with the freedom to customize and adapt the technology to your specific needs. Closed source software often comes with predefined features and limitations that may not align perfectly with your requirements. However, with open source, you have the ability to modify and extend the software to suit your unique workflows and processes. This customization capability can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, further enhancing the cost-effectiveness of open source solutions. Open source software and hardware also encourages competition and innovation. The availability of open source solutions in the market ensures that vendors and providers must deliver high-quality products and services at competitive prices. This healthy competition benefits you as a user as it drives down costs and increases the value you receive from open source software and hardware. It's a win-win situation where affordability and quality go hand in hand. In summary, open source software and hardware offers a cost-effective alternative to closed source solutions. With no or low upfront costs, freedom from vendor lock-in, compatibility with existing infrastructure, community support, customization options, and the drive for innovation, open source empowers you to maximize your resources and achieve your goals without breaking the bank. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the cost-effective benefit of open source software and hardware. We hope you found this information valuable and that it has deepened your understanding of the financial advantages that open source brings. Stay tuned for more videos where we continue to uncover the benefits of open source. Until then, take care and embrace the cost-effectiveness of open source.